click Find and Add New Devices. You'll now search for any Centronic Plus devices that are in programming mode in the area. So here it has found a C12A Plus awning motor. So I can click on that and it asks, do you want to join the installation? So you go, yes, I will join the installation. It should now bring up the diagram of that device up in here. If not, just hit X, hit Find again, and it's found it there, so we just X out there. So now this is the C12A. If you want to check that you are working on the correct awning, you can click this identify button and the motor will do a click, as you can hear in the background there. If you click on the main picture, it will open this further settings information. So you can see C12 Plus, you can see its serial number and MAC address, and here its name. So if you want to, you can actually put in the new name there. So I can put in there patio awning, and I can hit record and the motor will jog. So patio awning, and you can see here it's shown up patio awning. Because limit's already set, I can run the awning from here, from the up, stop or down buttons, but today I'm just going to show you the sun shading. So if you click on sun shading, here's where you set your sun threshold, your wind threshold, and your sun delay times, and also at the very bottom, if you're using a rain sensor, what you want the rain sensor to do. So here you can see it on default, it's 7, which is a bright sunny day. So that is the exceed threshold. So the level of sun at which it needs to get to before it'll automatically extend. Then you've got the fallen below level. So if the sun drops below this level 6, it will automatically retract the awning. Below that, you can see the delay for the automatic shading, sun shading in minutes. So again, 3 minutes and 15. So this means 3 minutes above level 7 and it will extend. And then 15 minutes below level 6 and it will retract. So if you want to, you can play around with these, but these are your default levels. So we could actually bring this up maybe to 10 minutes of full sun before it extends, and then maybe 30 minutes of the sun level below this level before it retracts. This is your wind level here, and you can adjust that. So 7, 14, 21, 28 kilometers an hour, which is level 4. And then in this little bit below, you've got move up, no movement, or move down. So if you want the awning to retract when it rains, you would click move up. If you want the awning to extend when it rains, you would click move down. So I'll select move up. And then again, I'll just hit the record button and the motor will click. It's up in here, you see this little blue box here. It says sun shading configuration is active. So if you wanted those same levels on multiple motors, you could click all those different motors and then hit record, and it will send all those levels to multiple motors. And then just to exit, we go back to X.